How do you get income in your pension? Well, let's look at one thing. Scottish Widows Strategic Income Bond. What's in it? These are the holdings. Long gilts. Most people don't want Euro bubble. Most people don't want to be looking at all of this, and corporate um, corporate bonds as well, which should pay a bit more than bank interest and etc. etc. So how have we done over the last 5 years on this? That is the benchmark. This is the Scottish Widows Strategic Income Bond. Oh, okay, you've lost 5% of your money. At one stage, you lost 20%. And that comes as a shock to people because they think, well, surely with bonds, I can't lose money because they're safe. No, 20% loss, okay? And you're down 5%. Wait a minute, sorry, bonds are supposed to pay money each year? No, you've been misinformed. They are if you hold yield to maturity 5 years. That's 5 years I'm showing you. So be warned when your IFA says, oh, we'll put you in strategic bonds. Don't worry, bonds are a safe place. Gilts, government gilts, blah, 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 blah. No, you're getting screwed. That's the kind of volatility people don't realize they can have. Oh, massive to the downside, thank you, Liz Truss. Not so great on giving you a 5-year return, is it? Have a look at my campaign for $1million.com. If your pension stinks, if your IFA is letting you down, there's a lot of free tools and material there. Campaign for $1million.com or alpeshpatel.com/links. Really, you've been misinformed, and I'm showing you the data and throwing it back in their faces. I set up a hedge fund in 2004, partly because after writing 18 books on investing, my own Bloomberg show, and 200 columns in the Financial Times, I knew the amount of nonsense which goes on out there and people need saving from.